guys, we are now
Hello guys, good morning from Tokyo Station. So right now we are here at Marunouchi building. So pupunta kami ng Mount Fuji tour. So binook namin to via Klook. So yun, ngayon nahanap na natin yung exit. Just looking for a vending machine. Nakahanap naman tayo. So yeah.
Today is super special dahil finally pupunta na tayo sa pinaka-iconic na destination dito sa Japan, none other than the Mount Fuji.
We are now here at the Shin Marunouchi Central Exit. So here are the pips na makakasabay natin sa tour, pero iba-ibang travel agency yan. Since siyempre magdedepende yan sa availability na binok mo sa club. So yan. So right now, ang ground temperature pala dito sa Tokyo will be 2 degrees Celsius. So, tignan nyo naman ang suotan ng angkol mo. Yan ang suotan ng angkol mo. Ayan. Takas mapablankater mo. Yan daw. Exactly 8 AM, we're going to depart from Shin Marunouchi going to Mount Fuji tour. So, tip ko sa inyo, since 2 hours yung biyahe, bring food. Pero hindi naman yung heavy meal. Kasi sa sobrang lamig, lalo-lalo ng pagkaganitong winter season, baka mag-poop kayo. Hindi naman hihinto yung bus para, you know, mag-CR kayo. Pero may mga ano yan, may mga stops yan. Every 1 hour, may stops yan. Yun lang guys.
And the best part is I booked this tour package via Klook. Sobrang convenient and beginner-friendly. May complete itinerary na, may English-speaking guide pa. At hassle-free na transportation. Literal na book and go. Pagdating nyo rito, may makikita kayong Klook signage or tour coordinator holding a flag or clipboard. Sobrang organized nila. May instruction din sa email confirmation kung saan mismo kayo dapat pumunta. Pagdating dito, chinek lang nila yung name ko sa list. Binigyan nila ako ng sticker to identify na part ako ng group. Tapos may konting briefing about the schedule for that day. Lahat ay clear and smooth. A few minutes after, dumating na rin ang tour bus namin. Ang laki at ang comfortable. May aircon and reclining seats. So no worries kahit long trip pa siya.
It's too far. Maybe just shoot. That time is such busy. I was checking for another guys, and I also calling for driver because driver in the morning just told me there's no parking right here, so it's gonna make a couple big turns right there so to find a parking space. So that's why I just calling and told you guys, please wait a second. That's the point right there. So right now we just departed from the Tokyo Station. Right, that's the first stop, and second stop is called the shopping street or maybe the clock shop, like Hikawa clock shop. There's two names, but it's gonna be the same place. So where you can take photos, like a street and background Mount Fuji right there.
Alright, nakasakay na kami and ready to go. Medyo mahaba ang biyahe. Around 2 to 2.5 hours papunta Mount Fuji area. Pero promise, super worth it. Plus may guide na nagsasalita habang nasa daan kami para i-share ang fun facts about Mount Fuji and Japan. Medyo nagiging rural na yung surroundings, ang daming trees, nature vibes at super fresh ng hangin kahit nasa loob pa kami ng bus. Lalo ako na-excite kasi malapit na kami sa first stop namin, ang Lawson Mount Fuji.
Hello guys, we are now here at Lawson and we're lucky enough because nagpakita sa atin si Mount Fuji. And right now it's time check, it's 8:36 AM in the morning here in the vicinity of Mount Fuji. So yeah, ground temperature right now it's 2 degrees Celsius, so we're lucky enough to see this mountain. Okay, so very quick lang tayo dito, 10 minutes, then lilipat na naman daw sa Kawaguchi Lake. Okay. Hello guys, we are now here at the Owishu Park and you're looking at, hindi pa siya nagtatago. Si Mount Fuji. So we're very lucky na nagpakita siya, and as of now hindi pa naman siya nagtatago, pero I highly doubt it kasi may namumukong cloud nearby. So at least nakakuha na ng picture dito sa Owishu Park. And then also sa may Lawson. So sorry, naglalag ako. Anyway, napakarami ng tao dito. We're talking about thousands of tourists. So my travel tip for you is that look for your spot. So photo spot. Because if hahanapin niyo yung mga nakikita niyo sa Instagram, sa Facebook, there's a possibility that you'll not be able to maximize your time here at the Uishi Park. So yeah, still ground temperature is at 2 degrees Celsius, right? So yeah, at the back of my photo spot, you're looking at the trendy Uishi soft ice cream base. So for amount of 550 Japanese yen, matitikman nyo ang trendy na Uishi ice cream. So pinaka nirecommend yan ng aming tour guide. So must try. Right now, we're going to buy for that ice cream. So yun lang. Well guys, we are going to buy ice cream here at the Uishi Park. So let's see. This was advised by or recommended by our tour guide. Very recommended daw. Ang sarap daw yung ice cream dito. So let's try. Tapos may mga souvenir shop din dito. Right here. There's a lot of things to buy. Even mga spot soap. Bango. Question is, saan dito yung ice cream? There's a lot of things to buy here. Even this frame. It's good. Ito yung pinaka-gusto ko. This is the pagoda. Tapos kita yung ang cute, no? Ang fudge. So mamaya punta na. So there's a lot of souvenirs that you can buy here. Where can we buy ice cream? Oh wow, chocolate siya. Chocolate na Mount Fuji.
AI.
Tapos, they have a lot of souvenirs here. Oh, ayan lang. Kapag kumuha kayo ng pictures dito, hindi sasapat yun. So, in this area, mga chocolates naman. Yung banda ata yung soft ice cream. Dito ata yun. Dito nga yung soft ice cream. So yun, kaya pala in-advise ng in-advise kami ng tour guide namin na before kami kumuha ng pictures, pila na kasi napakahaba ng queue. Holy crap. Haba ng queue. So here is your Uishi soft ice cream. Napakamura at napakasarap. So try na niya. Lalo na pag nandito kayo sa Uishi.
Yeah, sakit na lang. Matanong mo ng dilat ko. Mag-upo sa umigat na.
Sarap ng ice cream. Very tasteful. This is vanilla flavor.
Yes guys, I know. Ice cream sa winter. Pero worth it, promise. Sobrang creamy at ang lamig pa ng hangin. Double chill. Wala masyadong flowers this season pero may charm pa rin yung landscape. Parang nasa real life painting ako. Tapos sobrang presko ng hangin at sarap huminga. Kung gusto nyo ng chill, peaceful moment with a world-class view, winter in Uishi is the place to be. Lalo na kung fan ka ng tahimik at malamig na lugar.
So guys, we are now here at Ushino Hakai and you're looking at this wonderful area of this Ushino Hakai. So dito yung lunch area or lunch destination if you're going to avail a Mount Fuji Instagram worthy photos ata, something like that. So anyway, Right now, nagpakita pa rin sa atin si Mount Fuji. Ayun siya. Ayun. Oh, yan. This one. But medyo napapalibutan na siya ng cloud. So, buti na lang nakakuha tayo ng photos kanina. So, yun. Anyway. So, travel tip ko sa inyo guys. Once you arrive here at Ushino-Hakai, there's a area here wherein you can dining. So, kasi karamihan ng food dito are street food. So, punta kayo dito sa dining area. In front of the dining area is a pond. Tapos may mga stones dyan. Once you take a photos dito sa may gilid ng pond, you'll see a better angle of Mount Fuji. Tapos, also, you're going to capture the beautiful pond and then the area of Ushino-Hakai. So, di ba? You capture one photos but three gorgeous background, no? So that's the beauty of that photo spot here at Ushino-Hakai. Other than that, there's a lot of food selection here, but since we are a Muslim, we're really having a hard time finding a halal friendly restaurant. So, but again, there's a lot of food street here. May mga squid, may fish, may rice cracker, mayroong rice cake, mayroon ditong chicken poppers, and then all of that has halal certified. So yun lang. I guess sa dami naman din na makakainan nyo from Uishi Park, then tapos ilang Lawson din naman yung dadaanan nyo, probably hindi nyo na rin naman kakailanganin kumain ng heavy, no? But sa mga gusto ring ma-try yung mga food cuisine dito, there's a lot of restaurant available here. So yun lang. Tapos try to take some photos of the koi fish and duck. So yun. So yeah. Basically, yun lang naman na nakikita dito, no? Tapos here's one of the photo spot here. So may taas na museum. Ayan, this one. So may taas na museum. You have better angle of Mount Fuji, no? So, I expect right now ang population ngayon dito sa Ushino-Hakai is around more than 1,000 people. Kanina when we arrived, probably nasa 9 buses na yun nandoon. So yeah, sorry, nag-drinking kasi. So ooh, these are clouds. My goodness, nahulog. So yun na, ground temperature pa rin dito, ground temperature na dito sa Ushino-Hakai is around 4 degrees Celsius. So yeah. Some food stalls here are still accepting IC card and then Suica. So may mga cashless pa rin naman dito. Pero mostly, okay, are accepting cash. So this one is the Japanese sponge cake. On the left side corner, you'll see a rice crackers, no? So that is the rice crackers. Then on this one is the grilled squid. This one is grilled squid. When you go straight forward, you'll see a takoyaki. They have option na fish yung takoyaki. So this is your takoyaki. So, always check out the queue because as you can see, medyo marami-rami din. Compare kanina, mas marami yung kanina. So, sa mga kapatid natin Muslim, we have here hot dog and then chicken poppers and kung saan ko ito nabili, available here at hot dog Korean style. So, yeah. This is 100% halal. So, yeah. 100% halal. So, yeah. So, tapos on this side you can buy onigiri, mochi. So they have fresh strawberries here as well. So sabi ng tour guide namin mas cheap daw dito sa Mount Fuji, yung sa vicinity ng Mount Fuji, yung strawberry. So yan, tapos they have sweet potatoes, mochi, tapos strawberry, no? Tapos onigiri. Okay, guys, balik tayo doon. So I can show you the beauty of the doon naman sa may, so this one is south part ng Ushino-Hakai. punta tayo sa North Park. Na which is kanina, nakikita niyo naman, pero hindi ko kayo na-tour. So yeah. So guys, we are on our way to Arakuyama, which is the fourth destination on this Mount Fuji tour. So, approximately 600 steps yung lalakarin natin. Hopefully, matapos natin. Because, napakaganda kasi no photo spot doon. Because, we'll capture two things. First is the pagoda. And, tapos at the back, if shorten ka, yung Mount Fuji. So yeah, basically dalawang makaka-capture ko sa isang photo.
Alright guys, kakababa lang namin ng bus and now we're heading to one of the most famous spots in Japan, ang Arakuyama Sengen Park. From the drop-off point, mga 10 minutes walk lang papunta sa base ng stairs. Ang lamig ng hangin ngayon, perfect walking weather. Habang naglalakad kami, tanaw na namin si Mount Fuji sa likod ng mga bahay. Grabe, ang laki niya in person. Kahit ilang beses ko na siya nakita, iba pa rin talaga kapag nandito ka na sa lugar mismo.
Here's the app. That one's not really useful. So you see the step right here, and also you can find the torii right here. So continue that for 5 minutes. When you enter the torii, that's gonna be a second block of the mountain. Here's the platform right here. You have to visit the shrine, the temple. That one's on the left side. You turn left for just like 10 seconds, you're gonna find the shrine really quick. And the top, you're gonna go to the torii to pagoda. There's two ways. You just visit the shrine first.
Ayan na siya guys, ang legendary na hagdanan. Ready na ba kayo? Medyo intense, almost 600 steps paakyat, pero trust me, the view is worth every step. Pero bago kayo umakyat, konting stretch muna. Baka ma-Fuji tayo sa pagod.
Malapit pa lang ako. Pero parang, huhusan ako na hininga. For real. Wait for. This is one of the most challenging task na ginawa ko. Akyatin. Ito, 600 steps. I'm gonna die. Oh my god. Look. Look ang pinasok ko. Baka naman may mapag-isip na maglagay dito na elevator. Kahit escalator man. O siguro, cable car. Charing. Hindi, para to sa taba natin. Pamatunaw. Lo, ang tight na ng legs ko. Ang tight. Limited. Made it pa lang sa may pagod.
Oh my gosh, finally guys, nandito na kami sa first viewing level and look at that. Ayan na si Churito Pagoda. Sobrang surreal nito makita in real life.
Tapos na kami kumuha ng mga pictures and right now we are here at the Arakuyama Pagoda Shrine and you're looking at this pagoda and then at the back of this pagoda, nakikita nyo yung Mount Fuji. So yan, napakadami ng tao dito so expect na it will take you 20 to 30 minutes just to get at least the different angle ng picture na gusto nyo. Ayan. Yun lang, worth it naman guys. Though hindi na masyadong malamig dito sa part of it, but worth it yung 600 steps. So,
guys, grabe, as in speechless. After ilang daang steps, ito na. This is the view. The legendary Churito Pagoda with the majestic Mount Fuji behind it. Literal na postcard come to life. Napaka-perfect ng timing, clear skies, Mount Fuji in full view. Tapos yung red na pagoda, ang ganda, ang lakas maka-Japan vibes. Parang nasa anime scene ako.
Mount Fuji. Yun guys, baba na kami. Another 600 steps naman pababa. Pero hindi naman doon nakakapagod compared doon sa packet. Then, I don't know kung ano pa yung susunod namin pupuntahan. Pero, at least diba, natapos na to. Kasi, originally, part of our itinerary is to visit this first. Pero, turns out, may mas maganda kasi yung route na gano'n. Yung dinaanan namin from Lawson, Uishi, then, ano nga ba to? Hakai, Ushino Hakai. Then, after that, Arakuyama. I suspect parang may isa na lang na pupuntahan. Tapos napakabilis na namin doon. Then, finish na. Pabalik namin ng Tokyo.
Thank you for watching guys. Kung nag-enjoy kayo rito sa Mount Fuji trip na to, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more travel adventures. Hit that bell para updated kayo sa next biyahe.
We just arrived here at Tokyo Station. So, our Mount Fuji tour is done. So, yeah. Tomorrow, different itinerary. So that's all for our Mount Fuji tour. And papunta kami somewhere. Probably Shinjuku or Shibuya. Kakain lang kami. Early dinner.